Once upon a farm, green kale and apples, organic kids snack pouch. Product details. Get the Kale kids crave. This healthy kids snack mixes kale with creamy banana and sweet apple, plus powerful hemp seeds with all essential amino acids, all in a convenient pouch. This 4-pack contains these delicious blends suitable for ages 6+ months. At Once Upon a Farm, a better story starts here. Our organic recipes are crafted with only the best ingredients, whole fruits and veggies that are picked, blended and cold-pressed to lock in nutrients, taste, and texture. Each of our non-GMO, non-dairy fruit and veggie blends and smoothies have no added sugar, and are free from artificial flavors, colors, and preservatives. Just simple, real, nutrient-rich kids snack your family will love. Not a low-calorie food. A refrigerated nutrition pack and convenience snack for busy on-the-go kids and parents. Tiny hemp seeds contain protein and key amino acids, nutrients good for growing bodies. Green kale and apples is a naturally sweet combo with no added sugar, no preservatives or artificial ingredients. Proud recipient of the Clean Label Project Verification and Purity Award certification, parents can feel confident giving their little ones this convenient kids snack. Cold pressed to lock in nutrients and flavors that kids and toddlers love. A great way to incorporate fruits and vegetables into their diet. Delicious, homemade taste without the prep and cleanup. Always organic and non-GMO project verified. A refrigerated, dairy-free and ready-to-enjoy kids snack.